Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just got home not long ago. I made a sandwich. As you saw, had some jalapeno chips, which are my all-time favorite chips in the world. It's dangerous when I buy those because if I'm not careful, I will eat the entire bag. That's how much I'm obsessed with them. But it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm starting the vlog off a little late today. Today's Friday. Just doing like a little weekend vlog for you guys. Not much is going on right now. I worked this morning and I got off around 3, so I've just kind of been chilling. I cleaned up my apartment and then it's been raining like the entire day, so I'm just having like a little cozy time right now. I might make some tea in a bit and I'm just watching TV right now. I'm in the bed. I'm so tired. I've been going so much this week, so it's nice to just have a day to rest up. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing right now. I might go through my closet in a bit and get rid of some stuff, upload it on Poshmark. So I will link my Poshmark down for you guys so you can go check it out if you want to buy some clothes. So watch some TV real quick and just kind of chill, and I will pick up the vlog camera in a bit. So I'm just in the kitchen cooking some dinner. I've been in the bed for like 3 hours. Still didn't go through my closet. It's currently storming, but one of Beau's friends gave us a squash that they grew. So I'm gonna cook the squash with some broccoli, make some enchiladas, and that's what we're gonna have for dinner. It's pouring rain right now and I love it. I love the sound of rain. It's so nice. So I'm gonna get to cooking real quick. I just chopped up some onion. So I just got a package in that I'm opening up. It's from Shoe Dazzle. Let me get this opened. Okay, so I got this necklace and I'm so excited about these shoes. And these shoes. These are so cute. I can't wait to style this with some stuff. I just think they're so adorable. I've been obsessed with shoes like this recently. They're so comfortable because the heel's not too high. They're just so cute and fashionable too. And I'll show you guys the necklace. Let me open this. And this is the little necklace that they also sent me. I think this is so cute for summer. It's just this little dainty gold chain with some pearls. So pretty. This will be so cute with just like a casual basic outfit. Actually obsessed. And thank you so much, Shoe Dazzle, for sending me these. I can't wait to wear these. Good morning, everyone. I just got dressed and ready to go. I'm about to go to work real quick, finishing up my coffee. Just wanted to show you my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this denim skirt from PacSun, this top from Brandy. I have on my Feeless sneakers and that new necklace from Shoe Dazzle. It's so cute. So I'm gonna go to work, and then me and Bo, we're probably gonna go to the mall and maybe Urban. So we'll see. So I already put all this stuff away, but I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I got from Whole Foods. So I got a bag of cherries. I'm obsessed with these cherries. They're so freaking good. And then I got a ton of vegetables. So I got a thing of carrots, tomato, broccoli, some kale. We got some more avocados and stuff. And then I had got some oranges, lemons, and limes. Some more salad. I did pick up this cheese. It looks so bomb. It is spicy Gouda. I tried one of them already. It's so freaking good. And then I picked up another one of my favorite sour creams. This is the best sour cream I've ever had in my entire life. It is so good. Just some more strawberries and watermelon. I wanted to get a new salad dressing, so I got this lemon basil vinaigrette. This stuff looked incredible. I put it on my salad tonight for dinner, and it was honestly amazing. I'm probably gonna start getting this, but this is just so good. I wanted to show you guys these. My grandma actually sent me these. I found them in Louisiana a while ago at the Whole Foods, like closer to my house, and I was like obsessed with it, but I haven't been able to find these here at all, so she sent me a pack of these. I also picked up some Jennies. This is my favorite flavor, and they're always sold out, so just a little treat. And I usually stay away from like frozen foods and stuff, but this looked really good, and I thought it would be something very easy, like if I get home late one night and just want to toss something in the oven. And then I picked up some organic frozen mango for my smoothies. This is really good with like spinach, lemon, mango, a little bit of apple juice. It's freaking amazing. And then I picked up some more sweet potatoes and bananas, and they had this bread. It's local, so we decided to give it a try. It's French country sourdough. It looked fantastic, so I'm really excited about that. We just picked up some meat from the deli, and then we also got some fresh mozzarella for just like some salads and stuff, and this is also really good with heirloom tomatoes, and those are my fave right now, so this is gonna be really good with that. And then I picked up some quinoa, some more granola. This is the almond butter clusters. They were out of the one I usually get, which is like honey something, I think honey maple, but this one looked really good. And then I got some basmati rice as well. I love basmati. It's amazing. And we just got like some protein bars for me and Bo. And to show you guys the things that we got, yeah, these are amazing. These are my fave. So I just went a little bit through my closet, and I found a couple of shirts that I'm gonna sell on Poshmark. I still need to go through like my shorts, skirts, shoes, and like pants and stuff, but I'm gonna post these very soon, once I get done filming. So if you want to check out my Poshmark, I will link it down below for you guys to go and check out. I'm going to be adding some new stuff this week, so be on the lookout for that. So I'm just getting ready for bed. I'm in my pink fuzzy robe, as always. Guys, this thing is just so comfortable. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog this weekend. It was just really chill, casual. Didn't really do too much other than work and get groceries, but yeah, I just wanted to film it for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.